Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cotton candy shake. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and a generous amount of cotton candy. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to use. Selecting a vibrant cotton candy color can also enhance the visual appeal of your finished shake. Now, let's get blending. Add 2 cups of vanilla ice cream and 1/2 cup of milk into your blender. Next, tear off a large handful of cotton candy and add it in. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and has a consistent, creamy texture. Avoid overblending to maintain thickness. Once blended, carefully pour your vibrant cotton candy shake into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, top it with a swirl of whipped cream and a small cloud of fresh cotton candy. You can also add colorful sprinkles or a maraschino cherry to complete your delightful dessert. Enjoy your homemade creation. For the best results, always use very cold ingredients to ensure a thick, refreshing shake. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try different ice cream flavors like strawberry or even chocolate, and experiment with various cotton candy colors and tastes. This allows for endless delicious combinations. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.